Good day everyone. I am Anyana Osalama Jr., a BSEd 3E English. Today, I am going to discuss all about my instructional materials, which is the flip chart. While our digital landscape continues to advance, there is a lot to be said for the trusted traditional communication tools that have gotten us where we are today. We may be more interested in creating PowerPoint presentations. However, the flip chart is one presentation tools that continues to provide an exceptional resource for work, school, and important recreational presentations. So what is flip chart? A flip chart is a stationary item that consists of a large paper sheets typically fixed to a frame to provide visual presentations and communication. Whether you want to use your flip chart for diagrams, brainstorming, demonstrations, or notes, flip charts are still to do this day extremely effective in a variety of situations. In regard to what is flip chart presentation, flip chart are reliable, trustworthy, and simple presentation tools that still to do this day. Flip chart are valuable visual asset appealing to various sense of those being presented to. What is flip chart presentation used for? Here are a few flip chart presentation examples of when you might rely on the tools to provide an interactive, engaging, and effective display.
What is the materials of flip chart? We have crayon, marker, a pad of large paper sheet, whiteboard, and neon.
How to prepare flip charts for presentations. Now that we've covered the basics of what is flip chart presentations and the flip chart presentation examples, let's move on to the next step, how to prepare flip charts. Here are my top tips for staying as organized as possible and how to successfully prepare for a flip chart presentations. First, we have find the best flip chart markers. Plan each page if possible. Prepare any pages of flip charts if you are able to. Write talking points and pencil for only you to see. How to do a flip chart presentation. The secret to providing a fantastic flip chart presentation is planning. A well thought out and planned flip chart presentation can do wonders for your discussion, lesson, boardroom meeting, or interview. Here are some tips on how to do a flip chart presentations. Map out what each page is going to be used for. Make sure the flip chart is positioned correctly for the audience. Use big letters, dot points, and pointed statements, no long sentences. Use colors to emphasize and appeal to visual learners. Draw and create diagrams. Ask for audience input. While great flip chart presentations are the ones that are planned and mapped out, the beauty of flip charts is that they also allow for spontaneity. During your presentation, you can use your flip charts to draw out concepts to enable your audience to better understand your points. You can also use flip chart to create an engaging, interactive presentation in which the audience has direct input to the discussion. What's more, once the presentation is complete, you can keep the papers as a future resource.
The advantages of using a flip chart. Flip charts require no electricity. Flip charts are relatively cost-effective, flexible, and versatile. You can keep the presentation as a resource. Color and markings can easily be made to emphasize important points. Flip charts allow for spontaneity.
Another fantastic way to utilize flip chart is to teach a lesson or provide an interactive classroom. Whether you're teaching first grade or you're on a university lecture, flip chart presentations are exceptional resources that allow for visual learners to thrive. If you are a teacher wondering what is flip chart presentation used for in the classroom, then you're in luck. Flip chart are fantastic tools that can be used in variety of learning environments. Flip charts in the classroom can be used to explain a topic, have a question and answer session with students, or allow for real-time feedback. Teachers may use flip charts to display important notice pupils' works or come together on a group brainstorming activities. That's all for my instructional materials. Thank you for watching and listening.